In this video, I will show you how to save our tomato seeds for getting higher germination rate. To achieve 90% of germination rate of tomato seeds, preserving the seeds in a perfect way is a very important point. To know how to harvest seeds from the fresh tomatoes and save them for the next season, watch the video till end. I will show you the complete step-by-step guide to save the tomato seeds with higher germination rate. So let's start to our topic. If you are listening to this voice first time, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notified. I will help you to grow your garden with authentic and practical knowledge. You may also find many beneficial videos on my channel that you can check later. You can also grow tomato seeds directly from the store-bought tomatoes. But they have very less germination rate. Saving and preserving the seeds helps to improve their germination rate as well as their preserving time. By following my method, you can store your homemade organic seeds for 3 to 4 years very easily. This method also helps the seeds to overcome fungal attack. For getting good results, follow all the instructions properly. You can also use the market-bought tomatoes to harvest seeds. Choose a tomato with dark red color. It have mature and ripe seeds that are best for seedlings. In the video, you can observe the difference between the mature and unmature seeds. Unmature tomato seeds usually have white color while the mature ones have slightly brownish color. Unmature seeds have very less germination rate. Remove all the unmature seeds to get good results. Cut the tomato in 2 parts using any knife. Be careful while using knife. You can see the seeds in the tomato pieces. Take any container as in the video and squeeze the tomato in the container slowly. As you squeeze the tomato, the seeds and some tomato pulp drops in the container. After squeezing, all the seeds are in the container. Take any strainer and put the seeds in it. Wash the seeds slowly with the water as I am doing. Rub the seeds very slowly. Over-rubbing causes the damage of seeds tissues. It helps to remove the pulp from the seed. As you can see, the seeds remains in the strainer and the pulp floats away. Now, take a tissue paper and spread all the seeds over it. Place them away from one another. Don't overlap the seeds. Place the tissue paper in the shady place for 6 hours. All the seeds will dry out in 5 to 6 hours. After that time, simply scratch the seeds from the tissue paper very carefully. The seeds are very sensitive, so be careful. Take a plastic bag or plastic zipper like this. Put all the seeds in the plastic bag. Your plastic bag or container must be airtight. You have to keep the seeds in a moisture-less place. Otherwise they get fungus and never germinate. Plastic bag or any airtight plastic container is best for storing them. As the seeds get older, the germination rate of the seeds also decreases. At the time of seedling, always use the freshly stored seeds. You can place this plastic bag in a dark, dry environment. This method is very much effective for improving the germination rate of all type of seeds. Most of the seeds have an outer hard cover and a live embryo inside the cover. The hard cover gets soft when it came in contact with the moisture, and the embryo starts its germination. So, always keep all of your seeds in a dry place. This is the complete method of preserving your tomato seeds for a long time. I will see you in the next video with an exciting topic very soon.